Hey, friends, welcome to PassFab. If you find that there are too many files in your disks that cause an insufficient memory, it may be caused by many reasons, but one of the main reasons must be the accumulating duplicate files in the disk, and all this comes from the bad habit that repeatedly copying and pasting files. How to fix this problem in Windows 10? Recommended PassFab Duplicate File Deleter. Come and click the download links in the following description. Run PassFab Duplicate File Deleter. Click and add the folders or disks you wanted to duplicate. You can select multiple folders. And set the scanning mode below according to your need. Click Scan Duplicates. Wait until the scanning process is finished. You will see all the listed duplicate files. Click the eye icon to check the files. In the right column, you can see the total quantity, the size of duplicate files. Choose the files you want to delete. Or you can click Auto Select to delete all duplicate files, the first one that preserves automatically. Click Deduplicate. All the chosen files will be deleted. Now your disk is free up. That's all for today. Click the link in the description and try the PassFab Duplicate File Deleter. If you think this video is helpful, please give me a big thumbs up. See you next time.